Hello and welcome back to HardReset's Quick Godot. Today I'll show you how to change project icon. Let's begin! By default, every single project will use default Godot logo, so let's change that. First, let's go and edit our project here. Go into Project Settings, and right here at the very top we have Application and Config. Now we don't really need advanced settings for this because we only need icon here. And as you can see, we have our typical icon.svg. We can go and change that. And I'm going to go and set my asset here as the new icon. Now we can close it. We can close our project. And now we can go back into our Godot here. And as you can see, the icon has successfully been changed. And that's all for the tutorial. Leave a comment, like the video, and good luck on your game dev journey.